Hello and welcome to another video from your University of New Money, University of New Mercy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit all notifications. That way you're notified of all future videos that come out from the channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Hello and welcome to another video from your University of New Mercy, University of New Money. I'm so used to saying this is like the day 133 video, but today you actually get a bonus video. I mean, that's a pretty rare feat. It's hard enough for me to get these videos out on time, but now you get a bonus video, 2 videos in one day. And that's because of what I came across this afternoon. So this afternoon I was walking to Blackbird Coffee House, which is in Old Town, and they're doing filming for The Cleaning Lady, which looks like a new series coming to Fox. Very interesting. I don't know anything about it, but it's always nice here in Albuquerque and in New Mexico when they're doing filming. We've become a pretty big film industry center. You know, in the olden days, you always think of Hollywood, but now films are being shot all over the world, and Albuquerque and New Mexico is pretty huge when it comes to movies. I love it. So I'll probably be checking out The Cleaning Lady in the future, just scrolling through here. I mean, you can read about the description if you go to fox.com. I'm not going to read it here, but it seems interesting. I'm not a huge TV show person. I enjoyed watching Game of Thrones, and still have to watch Breaking Bad. I'm still in season 1. Please forgive me. I did enjoy Squid Game, Stranger Things. I watch my shows from time to time. I mean, I like my comedy. I enjoy Frasier, 30 Rock, that sort of thing. The other thing I ran across, and so these are going to be videos which follow this video. The first one's The Cleaning Lady. Next is Spikeballs. I've never seen anybody playing Spikeball, but going through Tiguex Park, it looked like a group of about 4 people were playing Spikeball. Don't know anything about it. Seemed like they were having a good time, so there's that. Powerledger, that's something I wanted to comment on, is, let's see if I can go down here to like even the 7-day graph. Is in case you notice, the price of Powerledger had been around the 40-cent mark for a while, and then boom, look at this huge spike right there, in case you can't see it. Went all the way up to, see if I can get the mouse just about right, that's close enough, to about 86 cents. And so what a huge jump. What happened? Well, Powerledger was, it was listed on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro from what I heard. And so Powerledger had been the number 2 energy blockchain token, second to Energy Web token, which you all know enough about, which I've been hyping. Well, Powerledger got such a pump from Coinbase that it actually jumped to the number 1 energy token. It is right now coin number 181 with a market cap of around $316 million. So what a huge pump for them. In case you're wondering if that changes any of my projections for Energy Web token, it doesn't. Obviously, Powerledger being the number 1 energy token, it gives it huge prestige, and it's something that I'm interested in. I'm not interested in buying it after the price doubled in a day, but down the road, if I get tired of Energy Web token and want to diversify my portfolio and my energy portfolio in general, I'll definitely consider adding Powerledger. I think the energy blockchain industry is big enough for just one coin to dominate, and that's it. As I can see Energy Web token, Powerledger, and some others, if they have valid energy projects, I could see them all being hugely successful, because I think energy in general is underrepresented in terms of like the market cap of cryptocurrency as a whole. So I think the whole energy industry has room to grow, not just individually Energy Web token or today Powerledger. So I did want to talk about that because that was a huge deal that came out today. But Energy Web token is still ranked number 192. So before that pump, Energy Web token was clearly number 1, and then Powerledger clearly way behind at number 2. After the Coinbase price bump, it clearly bumped up Energy Web token. But when you think about the fact that Energy Web token is so hard to buy as it is today, as I can barely find it at KuCoin. I believe in certain countries you can get it at Kraken. Once it's added to the bigger exchanges like Binance and of course Coinbase, and it gets its own bump, I could see Energy Web token easily reclaiming its rightful spot as the number 1 energy token and being such a huge potential growth coin, in addition to everything I've already talked about, such as staking and the fact I feel it's undervalued in general. As you can see, the price is down. It's around the $9.64 mark, very cheap. If we go ahead and scroll out here to the all-time price chart, and then we go ahead and add on BTC, the comparisons like the price in US dollars and the price in BTC is way back here. If we scroll out to about August or October of 2020, that's when it had its biggest pump in relation to Bitcoin right there. It hit all-time highs here around, I think when other coins were around all-time high, April 16th of this year, 2021, when it hit around $20.56. But if you look at where we are right now, is the price is relatively down given it's below $10, and its BTC dominance, its price of energy web token to BTC is extremely low, about as low as it's ever been since it came out, at least on coin market cap, since it came out around April of 2020. Is this BTC price is about as low as it's been. So that's why I still consider energy web token as good of an investment as there is right now. So just wanted to release this bonus video, something different for today. Again, obviously energy web token fired me up this morning that I was able to do 2 videos today. I hope you enjoy the videos that follow. If you've enjoyed all of this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all future videos from the channel. Again, enjoy the clips that follow. We'll be in touch. Probably not today, but for sure tomorrow, and if not tomorrow, the day after. You know the drill. Y'all take care. Thank you again for watching this video from your UNM.NU. This is the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The information from UNM.NU, University of New Money, and University of New Mercy, and any of these other likenesses is provided for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all future videos which come out from the channel. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're looking forward to the next one, and take care.